HustleDreamProduction.
Alright you guys, and just like that, that's it. Let me show you guys the cut. Crispy, clean, smooth. In this video, I don't really know, I'm just making an intro just for because, you know. But we do have Arlen here. Congratulations, man, you made it. Thanks. New member of Velocity Cuts. Who's that guy? Crispy, I don't know who that guy. Then we got Memo over here.
You know who I am, though.
He said, you ain't got the answers.
We got the answers, man.
Of course, George, we got George over here, you know. Okay, nothing new here. Memo, follow him right here. Okay, then we got Jarrell.
My name is 360 Jeezy and you're watching Disney Channel.
You say it again.
Bingo. My name is 360 Jeezy and you're watching Disney Channel.
Dun, 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 dun. Stay tuned. So I don't normally start the high top by, you know, pinning it up. But right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick everything out and I'm going to put my duck clips in just to get everything, you know, pinned up and out of the way. I'm going to leave some hanging on the side and you guys are going to see that, but for the most part I'm just going to put in my duck clips and let everything else hang off from the sides. So after you make sure everything is pinned up, I'm just going to comb down the sides to make sure everything's laid down in place. So my client wants a taper fade, so we're going to start off with the 3-guard open, and I'm just going to take off the bulk on the sides, but I'm going to go straight up because this is a high top. You don't want to, you know, cut all the way into, you know, the hair that's on top. That will actually make it an undercut. So what you want to do is just go straight up with it. Using my Slimline Pro LIs, I'm going to set in my bald line and I'm going to do it in a triangle like shape. Now with the lever open, I'm going to go up about 1 inch and I'm going to keep that same shape and keep it consistent all the way around. So with my 1 guard open, again, I'm going up about 1 inch and I'm making sure that I stay consistent in that shape. So with my 0 guard open, I'm just going to smooth out that middle line in a flick out motion. Now all you got to do is close the lever on that 0 guard, and in the flick out motion, you're now able to flick out that middle line much more easier. With the lever closed in a flick out motion, using your corners as much as possible, flick out that bottom line. So once you got the basics out the way, you set your guideline in, then you blend everything down. What you want to do is do some detail work. I got my 2 guard on, cleaning up that top. I'm going to come behind it with my 1 guard, clean up the middle, and then even clean up the bottom a little bit more. So make sure you take a chance to look away from the blend and then come back, look at it, you know, and do your detail work. So as far as the back goes, same process. I'm using my Wall Magic clips. These are modified to be balding clippers, and I'm just setting in my first bald line. Now I'm just opening up that lever and putting in my guy line about 1 inch. Same thing with the 1 guard open. Put in your guy line, make sure you go up about 1 inch. I got my 0 guard open, just kind of softening up that middle line so I can make it the process easier, come behind it with the 0 guard closed. So as you can see, I closed that lever on that 0 guard, and I'm just in a flick out motion, just cleaning everything up. After that, you want to just close the lever and flick out that bottom line. And lastly, as always, you want to make sure you do your detail work. So as always, I showed you guys the left side, so I'm just gonna speed the right side up. So I'm just gonna take the duck clips out, pick my client's hair back out, stretch it all out to, you know, the maximum potential, and I'm just gonna, you know, begin to do the shaping process. How I'm shaping the high top is just I'm coming straight off the sides and I'm going straight up. That's all you have to do is match the blade on the side of your client's head and run it straight up. That's it. YouTube, this is The Cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Snapchat is Jeezy360 and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. If you guys want to know where you can purchase any tools that you see in this video, please check out the link in the description below. Otherwise, it's your boy 360Jeezy and I'm out of here. Cheers!